Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we make your money make sense to you. Through my journey, I've learned how to manage my money effectively, recognize my bad habits, and break away from them. In this video, I'll share 9 common money habits that can hold you back and tips on how to overcome them. Let's get into it. The very first habit is paying too much for your taxes. Taxes is often the biggest expense in our lives. The wealthy use legal tax savings strategies and hire advisors and experts to minimize their tax burden. Understanding the tax benefits like investing through an ISA or a Roth IRA allows you to allocate more towards your financial goals. So that's exactly what you want to do. Paying yourself last. One key lesson I picked up from Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is to recognize and prioritize paying yourself first. Most people pay all of their bills and expenses and save whatever is left, which is often nothing. The wealthy, however, they pay themselves first, setting aside at least 10% of their income right away, treating it like a bill. This habit builds financial security over a period of time. Guys, take heed to it and do likewise. Habit number 3 is really building an emergency buffer. By consistently paying yourself first, you can create a 6-month emergency fund. Once you have your safety net, you can take those extra savings and place them towards investments and setting up your financial growth. Another habit is getting comfortable with bad debt. Many people rely on debt for unnecessary purchases, from gifts to clothing. My rule is very simple. If you can't pay for it up front with cash, avoid the debt altogether. Remember, credit card companies are in a business to make money off of interest. Not to mention they thrive on poor financial choices made by many consumers. And with the interest rate of up to 25% and sometimes 30%, you could end up paying much more than an item is actually worth by using a credit card. When you overemphasize on savings alone, you are really creating a huge habit. Savings is essential, but there's a limit to how much you should save or cut back. Real wealth building requires both saving a large portion of your income and increasing your earning. With investments, side hustles, and any rise in your income, you create an infinite upside for financial growth. And that's where you want to be, guys. Growing your financial wealth over a period of time and seeing the increase in your wealth. Expensive hobbies, guys, is a huge habit. Having these habits can really strain your finances. To improve your financial standing, focus more on your savings from your current income and exploring additional income streams rather than solely relying on savings. Waiting too long to invest is a habit as well. Once you have your saving buffer, start investing so your money can grow right away. By diversifying your investments, you protect yourself against market changes. Inflation can erode your bank savings, so it's essential to let your money work for you. It's not that difficult, guys. Just take some strategy and implementation. Once you have that money that you've saved, go ahead and start investing. Not knowing your income and your expenses is another habit. Tracking your income and expenses gives you clarity on your financial starting point. Without this awareness, you risk falling into a lifestyle of inflation where increased income leads to spending, keeping you in that constant cycle of financial strain. And who wants that? And last but not least, our 9th habit is not taking financial action. Waiting or hesitating to take financial steps can hold you back. Start tracking your finances, planning for your future, and making informed decisions about your future so that you can build wealth over time and not waste a whole lot of times. Guys, I've given you 9 different habits that are holding you back and keeping you poor. If you enjoyed these tips, check out my other videos on building wealth and making your money work for you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.